Hai, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Diana binti Saidin. Okay, today I would like to explain about chapter 5 entitled Planning Uncertainty, where I choose the issue of perception of disaster immunity, the cause of not taking insurance. Okay, that issue say about the perception that misfortune will not happen cause many parties to consider the purchase of travel insurance not to be made even if it involves the minimum price. Because of that, Malaysia puts travel insurance instead of important priority over the arrival factors to destination, accommodation, and convenience transportation when planning a trip abroad either on a work or vacation. Tun Protect Group Chief Executive Officer Razman Hafiz Abu Zarim said his online survey was conducted last year found that 8 out of 10 Malaysians acknowledge the importance of buying travel insurance. However, he said only 34.6% will buy travel insurance, especially for long distance flights and challenging locations. They understand the interest of insurance but only a little buy travel insurance because many respondents think the disaster will not happen to them. He told BHH Wisma Tun in Damansara Heights. Razman Hafiz say many people were unaware of the benefits of travel insurance that were not limited when performing trip. Instead, begin or as soon as the flight ticket was bought during holiday abroad until after returning home. Compensation in the event of a hijacking, for example, if vacation abroad and there is a health problem and needs to be taken home, many insurance policies provide protection in the regard. In fact, there are a comprehensive insurance policy that also compensates in the event of a hacking. Insurance fees are also minimized as low as RM14 for domestic travel, and generally, travel insurance purchase can be done online by visiting the insurance company website or rebooking a flight ticket, he said. Commenting further, Razman Hafiz said the lower cost airline Air Asia began taking proactive steps to introduce bulk travel insurance purchase for its flight package from June. Industry players are aware of this interest and it stepped ahead. Among the factors affecting customer consideration buying travel insurance is the threat of epidemic disease. Okay, let's see this video.
What is insurance and why have it? Life's full of surprises. Your friend suddenly has a spare ticket to see your favorite band. That couple whom you think will never get engaged actually do. And John finally buys a round of drinks. But what if life's little surprises aren't so great? Like breaking your favorite phone, or something far more serious. The purpose of insurance is to protect people from uncertainty of the future, when things don't go to plan, or when we need support for our life projects. And finally, to give us peace of mind for whatever's around the corner. Here's an example. Paul and Dave are neighbours. Paul decided to buy insurance to cover his home and its contents, but Dave bought the latest games console instead. A few months later, a freak rainstorm hit, and both Paul's and Dave's houses were flooded. Everything downstairs was ruined, including Dave's games console. While Dave worried about how he was going to repair his house and replace his possessions, Paul simply called his insurance company and submitted a claim. They assessed the damage, calculated the value of the claim, and arranged payment to Paul. He could then afford to redecorate his house and replace his ruined possessions. Here's another example. Tom's goal was to one day own his dream car, but his salary meant this dream would never be a reality. Tom didn't want to take risks on the stock market, so instead he purchased a life insurance policy with survival benefits. The policy was set up over a specific number of years and was guaranteed to pay out an agreed amount at the end of the policy term, as long as he was still alive. Tom simply paid the same premium each month, and at the end of the policy term, it paid out. Tom was soon driving around in his dream car. We hope you enjoy.
Okay, as we all know, everything we do has its own risk rate. So, why is risk important for insurance? This is because risk is about what you decide whether or not you need insurance, and risk is what insurance company measure when determining whether to offer you insurance need and how much it will cost. How do we handle this? Okay, don't worry, we have 3 steps. First, avoidance. Second, retention. And third, transfer. For avoidance, that means choosing not to participate in activities because of the risk involved. For example, not getting a driver license or do not go to vacation. Second step is retention, where we should save money in the event of a loss in the future. For example, packing RM1000 in a saving account in the event of an accident. And last but not least, transfer. Reduce risk to insurance company, such as paying premium for insurance policy and expect insurance companies to protect your asset. Okay, there are two types of insurance: whole life for again risk, and general for other than human life. Life insurance cover more than a year and payment monthly, quarterly, semi-annually or annually, while general for motor, house, travel, personal lodging. Okay, last but not least, there are 4 types in life insurance, among them whole life, endowment, investment link, and medical and health. Okay, for whole life, this combines permanent protection with a saving component. Part of premium across as cash value. As the policy gains value, you may be able to borrow up to 90% of your policy cash value tax free. Okay, the process is of this plan payable when premature death across the policy nature. Second, endowment is a combines protection and saving, where provide cash benefits at the end of a specific period of open death of or total and permanent disability during the same period. Third, investment link, where the combines investment and protection. Get to choose the types of investment: funds, stock, bond or money market financing option, and the amount of life insurance coverage. And last one, medical and health, where cover the cost of medical instrument like hospitalization and surgery, mortgage, reducing term assurance, MRTA, and single premium policy With coverage amount matching the schedule outstanding become of the loan, settle the loan if difficult due to illness or disability or premature death, and ownership to borrow or beneficiaries. Okay, thank you for watching.